interesting thing happened to me somewhere around 50 years old. All of a sudden, I developed high blood pressure. Nothing dire, but enough to set the cardiologist and my wife off. And then actually lately, I have got a little bit of AFib, which is just an irregular heartbeat, not a critical, crazy thing, but another annoying heart thing. I'm used to monitoring my blood pressure. So here is a blood pressure machine. I do need to tell you it was provided to me, but I was like, I know about these now, so let me give it a shot. This is very simple, works off of 4 AA batteries. I just put it together. We're going to give it a shot first time together. You saw the cuff go on. It is a very large cuff, but still comfortably fits on me at my size. Let me just do the simple things. Let me just press start. Now, I shouldn't be talking to you while it goes. Obviously, we all know that. That's not the appropriate way to do this, but I think I can talk to you while this goes on. So it's going to take my pulse, it's going to take my blood pressure, and you can record up to 99 results with this machine, which is really nice because I was just telling you, I have to give my cardiologist a report basically monthly, say here's what my blood pressure has been when I am not sitting here talking, taking my blood pressure. And so it is really useful that it records that, and then I could just kind of jot it all down, give the average to my doctor, and go from there. It's finishing up now. Oh, and I got a result, and it is appropriately high because I'm sitting here talking to you, doing all the things that I'm not supposed to be doing. 163/96. Now, I am not normally that high, but again, I'm not surprised with all that I'm doing here that it comes in high. I should be about 145/96, something like that. So not that crazy based on what I am doing inappropriately to show you this. But overall, if you're looking for a very straightforward, simple blood pressure machine with lots of flexibility, if you got a big arm, if you're a big muscular guy, not like me, it'd be great for that. And it keeps up to 99 results, which is always going to be really helpful. Runs off basic batteries. Not sure what else you could want out of a blood pressure machine, but that is my report for you. I hope it was helpful. We'll see you next time.